After holding the ground yesterday, Nifty is again ready for a neutral to slightly bearish start today. So let's look at market levels and other global indicators. Welcome to Trading Footprints, and this is pre-market pulse. So let's begin with global data. In the pre-market session, GIFT Nifty is down 15 points, which means Indian markets are going to have a slightly neutral to weak start. In the last session, FIIs did a very small selling, whereas DIIs did a buying of 1,366 crore. One thing to note over here is even though FIIs are not buying, they are not doing a major selling as well, which is a good sentiment for the market. Rupee closed weak because of increase in crude oil prices. India VIX was down 2.91 percentage, and as I have mentioned multiple times, whenever there's a drop in India VIX, it means there is some confidence returning in the market, so which is a good sentiment. US markets closed slightly weak today, and oil closed neutral, gold closed lower. So in today's US market session, there was initially some strength, but as the market continues, it turned into a choppy market where there was weakness in the market. Overall, there was stock specific action today and totally based on news. If you look at market performance, energy was a sector which performed well, whereas utilities were the worst one. And again, like other sectors also were mostly on the negative side or below 1% gain. So if you look at Indian market levels now, Nifty after yesterday's closing is present at 25,522. Immediate resistance is present at 25,650. Initial support 25,500, which is a psychological level. So make sure you track that level. Anything with a strong volume or a strong sentiment up or down can change the market sentiment. Second support is present at 25,300. So if we look at all the market indicators and sentiment, right, and if I also include the futures data, there is no strength which I can observe for time being, other than the fact that Nifty was closed yesterday with a strength. But overall, today's market looks like again a consolidation market. And there was one more news in the market which brings the bear in the market. That is, Trump mentioned that he can potentially impose additional 10% tariff on the countries which are part of BRICS, which include India as well. So that can bring fear also in the market, and we might see some minor selling also. But this could be a good opportunity because you can use this opportunity to buy some stocks which you were waiting from a long time to buy on dips. So make sure you follow your stop losses, make sure you're booking profit, and make sure the most important thing, you are following trading.